Greetings and salutations all. In this video we're going to focus on downloading and installing gfortran 8.2 for macOS. To begin, please open a web browser and go to gcc.gnu.org/wiki/G Fortran, F in Fortran, B in binaries. On this page, you'll find all of the officially created binaries, which is a compiled program for gfortran. As we're interested in macOS, go ahead and select macOS to go down to where you see the macOS section. Now, the installer files are all available on GitHub by following this link, gfortran for macOS/releases. So if we click on that GitHub link, we're immediately taken to where the gfortran downloads are. Now, up at the top, you're going to notice customized versions of gfortran for Apple's latest version of ARM, or their M1 chip, I should say. We are interested in Intel-based Mac versions of gfortran. So we're going to slowly start to scroll down until we get to where we see this gfortran 8.2 for Mojave. If we go ahead and press the Assets dropdown, we can see gfortran-8.2-mojave.dmg. If we go ahead and select that, what will happen is a installer will slowly start to download in the lower left corner. Once the installer is done downloading, we're going to go ahead and open it by double-clicking or single-clicking. And we'll double-click inside of this gfortran 8.2 folder to get at this gfortran.package. If we double-click on the package, we'll be taken into an installer. Go ahead and press continue, then press install. You will be prompted to enter in your password. Go ahead and enter in your password. And once that's done, it'll slowly start to write all of the different gfortran files in place, and then the installation should be a success at the end. Once you press close, you'll be prompted to move the gfortran installer to the trash. So just go ahead and move to trash so that you don't have to worry too much about space on your computer from installers that you're not using. And now gfortran 8.2 should be successfully installed for your Intel-based Mac. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.